If you want to know how you can get nearly instant help in the friendliest community ever, make sure to watch this video. The big versatility of Knime comes at a price. You can do a lot of things with it. Having many options, however, makes it difficult to choose which one is the right one for you. Will you use a row filter or a rule engine? Should you convert to decimal or to integer numbers? And how can you put texts together? Don't you worry, there is a solution to all these questions. Please allow me to introduce you to the Knime forum. I can tell you, this is the best user community I ever found online, and today I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips how you can max out your results from every forum post you make. So where will you find the Knime forum? Just go to forum.knime.com. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up. If you follow through with the previous lesson though, you already have an account from the Knime Hub, so you can use that for your use and start posting right away in the Knime forum. So here are my top 3 tips to get the best possible result out of the Knime forum. Number 1. Provide an example workflow. This one is easy. Upload a Knime workflow to your public space on the Knime Hub and link it in your question. This helps others to better understand your problem, and the feedback that you will receive is way better. The KNIMErs usually help by providing their own solution and their own workflows to your problem. You have the solution workflow at your hand then, and you can use it right away rather than trying to translate some reading from the forums and what it could mean in your version of the software. Plus, you learn much more that way because you have hands-on reference material. Number 2. Make use of the feedback functions the forum has to offer. Knime uses a very good software to run their forums. We will cover this also in the next tip, but one thing I'd like to point out here is proper etiquette. If you ask a question and someone solves it, make sure to mark the correct answer as the solution to your problem. This helps others with a similar question, and it will also help to close the discussion. Plus, you should provide some love by clicking the little heart icon if you get a response you really like. Everyone else is also busy. A quick like is really like the payment that you give to the people that help to solve your problem with their solutions. Just imagine that quite a lot of the time you get a response. It comes from data scientists, which is a profession that's highly sought after right now. So giving some heart and some love and a like back is not asked too much, I think. Number 3. Browse through new and updated posts. This may sound like stupid advice, but I can tell you it's not. It's a huge source of inspiration because the Knime forum is super active. Some of my best bookmarks come from browsing these 2 sections alone. Once you have a little bit of knowledge of Knime, which you have by now by taking this YouTube online course, browsing these 2 sections really is a great source of inspiration to what else you could automate and digitize using Knime. And this brings me to a bonus tip. Yes, my friends, there's even more for you. Speaking about inspiring posts, here is my top 5 list of crazy and weird use cases utilizing Knime. Disclaimer: we are legally obliged to inform you that 2 of the 5 Knime forum posts that Phil will be referring to are articles he published himself. Plus, additionally, 1 post is not even directly from the forum. Legal stuff aside, you can find all these links in the description below this video. Plus, I also have a question for you, stay tuned. So post number 5, you can do magic. This is my personal post where I share how I use Knime to publish role-playing rules to the content management system my role-playing group was using. The idea was that there were hundreds of rules and I just didn't want to copy them over manually, so I let Knime do the work. Plus some nice 80s music. Number 4. Movie suggestion by Knime user Merdat. Are you bored and not sure what movie you should watch next? Use Knime and the Selenium nodes to suggest your next flick based on personal likings. Number 3. CV builder based on LinkedIn profile from Knime legend Armin Grut. Are you applying for a new job and find it boring to always update your CV manually? Let Knime do the heavy lifting and prove your data science skills to your new boss along the way. Number 2. Creating Snowflakes by Paul Wisniewski on Medium. In his amazing and slightly advanced posts on Medium, Paul shares how you can use Knime to create images of fractal snowflakes. So put on your Christmas sweater. and recreate that holiday mood. Number 1. Are you crazy? Show your weirdest use case. Here's mine. This is my automated settlement creator, where I use Knime to create role-playing settlements from small trading posts to a huge metropolis with PDF output and including story hooks and role-playing ideas. So here's my question to you guys. What is your problem with Knime? Post it into the comments below this video and let us together find a solution for that problem using the most popular Knime forum posts. So see you in the next one and bye! If you want to go to the first part of this online course, click this video. And here is just another video that shows you some very funny stuff you can do with Knime. Oh, and if you want to download the resources and chat with fellow students, just go here to this page over at procurementzen.com.